Experts met earlier this week and said Texas's school system needs a complete overhaul. But one University of Texas professor says more research is needed for reform. News 8's education reporter Jennifer Bourget shows us why he says changing the way students are taught isn't as simple as 1, 2, 3.
Education experts all agree they need to come together and help students, but things will have to change. But how to do it depends on who you ask.
We have made much progress in Texas, but we will candidly agree that we need to significantly improve standards in Texas.
The 5-member group has been working together for the last 10 months to find a common ground for Texas education policy. But Heilig says that's not enough.
The proposals that are currently on the table, at least in the Texas context, is more like moving the furniture around. We aren't really seeking to replace the coffee table with a duvet, so to say. That they want to keep the components that are currently in existence and just move them around, maybe with little tweaks here and there.
He says educators need to have more than just a couple of studies and look at how students are evaluated when it comes to the accountability standards with the tax test and the No Child Left Behind requirements, which take into account not only tax scores, but attendance.
The possibility that accountability may not be as good as advertised is very real. Now, that's not saying that accountability doesn't work, but perhaps the way it's structured needs to be reformed.
Professor Heilig says when the accountability system was created, it wasn't based on research, but on a few people's ideas on how education should look.
Does a one-size-fits-all T-shirt actually fit all people? And so one of the things we need to think about is what kind of modifications can we make to consider the diversity in our state.
They say change may happen as they educate the leaders of tomorrow and ensure their success. But before that can happen, they'll need to add some chapters and find a way to get on the same page. Jennifer Bourget, News 8 Austin.